Hi everyone, I'm Hannah, and welcome to Bartender's Almanac. Today we're in Rio to uncover the secrets of one of its most beloved creations, the caipirinha. It was traditionally used as a remedy for the common cold, before it became the beloved cocktail we know today. Let's get started by gathering our ingredients. Grab 2 ounces or 60 millilitres of cachaça, the beloved sugarcane syrup brought to Brazil by the Portuguese. Next, grab 1 lime. Then, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Add a few ice cubes, and last but not least, a slice of lime for the garnish. We will need the following tools: a cocktail shaker, a muddler, a bar spoon or stirring stick, a citrus zester for garnishing, and a lowball glass. Now that we have everything we need, let's whip up this delicious cocktail. Step 1. Begin by cutting your lime into small wedges and placing them in the lowball glass. Step 2. Add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar to the lime wedges. Step 3. Using the muddler or the back of a spoon, gently muddle the lime wedges and sugar together. This will release the lime's juices and blend them with the sugar. Step 4. Fill the glass with ice cubes. You'll want enough ice to chill the drink without diluting it too much. Step 5. Now pour 2 ounces of cachaça over the ice and lime mixture. Step 6. Give everything a good stir to ensure the flavours are well combined. And there you have it, the perfect caipirinha. But wait, there's more. For an extra touch of authenticity, garnish your caipirinha with a slice of lime on the rim. Now you're ready to enjoy this classic Brazilian cocktail. Be sure to give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more refreshing recipes and cocktail tutorials. Until next time, cheers.